On today's video, we're knocking out the all-American classic Smashburger. Hey, if you love to grill and barbecue, then this is the channel for you. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss a thing. Because on today's video, burger number 3. And I am looking forward to this one. You know, I did a little research. You hear people talk about where was the burger invented. Some say California, some say New York, some say Germany. But I'm not gonna get into it because I don't want to start that war. Hey, who cares? We got the burger. That's all that matters. And today we're gonna knock out our version of the classic all-American Smashburger. Would it be the classic all-American or
I think it's
the all-American classic?
It's like a diner.
Who knows? We all love burgers, right? All right, so hey, let's just jump right on into it. These are awesome cooks. They're super fast for us, but man, they smell delicious, they taste delicious. I hope you love hamburgers at home. If you do, leave me a comment down below. What's your favorite hamburger to make at home? Now, without further ado, let's just jump right in and take a look at the inside of this sucker. Oh, this looks and smells amazing. Woo! Hold on. Hold on. Woo! Is that not awesome? Can you see that, Wes? Quite honestly, I don't care who invented the burger. If it come from California, if it come from New York, whoever, thank you. You nailed it. Get out, make this burger, and hey, as always, don't forget, smash that subscribe button, ring that bell so you don't miss a thing, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace! Dude, this money, dude. Money.